chicken. Oh, they're looking at him.
Here he goes. It's like hide and go seek. Like, I'm in, I'm out. Popping my head out.
You were here, Ash. This has been, how long ago this is. But we had a turtle here one year, and he would, we'd see him every once in a while. He'd, reappear. He was hanging around, somewhat. And then, like I said, I just don't see turtles that much anymore. You're making to play with you and your Bucci. But he's too old for you. Nobody wants to play. Oh, geez, don't come in here. Where do you think he's going? Leave the turtle alone. I didn't bring him home to torture him. He's probably 100 years old. Maybe. I don't know.
You're so special.
Especially with that haircut. Where does Rhodes think he's going? I'm not sure what to do, Rhodes. Rhodes the turtle.